We got us a worker here. I see him working. He's welding away. That looks like Jerry Welding over there, all right. That's him. And camera will tell you what time of day it is. Yep, that's him. Let's see if it's Jerry here for a second. I can see it's Jerry. We'll get a little closer so you can see it's Jerry. He puts down his hood again. Let's see, he's over here. He's over here where you can see him. There he goes. Now he's going to... It's like he's running a MIG there. No, that's flux core. He's running some inner shield. Let's catch up with him here. Uh-oh, somebody's watching TV inside the house. Sneaking up on Jerry. He won't see us. We'll see if Ed's around. I don't see Ed around. There's Jerry. Uh-oh, get over here. He'll see us. Get down here behind a forklift. Ed's got a fork. Oh, there's Ed. There's Ed. Stick the camera out and the forklift and you see Ed. Oh, he can't see me. Uh-oh, I can't see him. Where'd he go? Where is he? He'll fall over here. Oh, he went into his little thing. Oh, I hear Jerry Welding again. Let's get Jerry Welding. That's Jerry. You can tell that stance anywhere. Not another welding stance like that. That's Jerry. It's definitely Jerry. Ed comes out of that. Oh, there's Ed. Here comes Ed. There he is. Here he comes. He's going to go back to work. I'm going to have to move a little bit. Did he see me? He didn't see me. Where is he? There he is. He can't see me. He's not going to see me. Boy, he's looking this way and he can't see me. He ain't going to hear me with that welding machine. Let's see what he's up to. He's going to go back in his cave. Must have got something. Got something in that cave. Here's Jerry Welding over there. Ed, you got quite set up here. Maybe I'll just back on out of here while nobody even knows I'm here. I better do that now.